Hey guys, what's up? It's Christine Seal, the high level queen, and today is a really exciting video because I am going to talk to you guys about the high level supercharged SaaS program, which is the equivalent to the dream car. I think it's a little bit better because it's actually cooler. You get your own electric vehicle, and then I'm actually going to order my vehicle also on this video. So just real quick, guys, HIGHLEVEL is giving away an electric vehicle to those people who have either 50 or 75 affiliates on the Agency Pro plan, which enables you to resell SaaS model to your clients, rebill for Twilio, rebill for Mailgun, rebill for a bunch of things, and then make your own SaaS plans out of the box. Does everything for you automatically, sends user credentials automatically. It's really, really cool. Okay. So if you get 50 or 75 users, they will give you either, it's so cool. You can choose, okay, which car you want, right? So for 75, they'll give you $1,300 a month toward an EV. And if you get 50, they give you $750 a month. Okay. So you can choose between any of these, or there's other ones. I'm not actually going to choose one of these. I'm going to choose a different one. But here's how it works, guys. You just have to have 50 qualifying HIGHLEVEL Pro accounts, and then you can apply to get this car. So cool. They'll also pay the initiation fees you spend to get the vehicle, and they'll keep sending you the money as long as you have that many accounts, which is really awesome. And then, yeah, so that's how you do it. Go to this link here, gohighlevel.com/SSP. I can also hook you guys up with a free 30-day trial for the Agency Pro plan if you want to try it out. In my opinion, it's very difficult to get people on the Agency Pro plan if you don't actually use it yourself. So go ahead and click the link below to get a free 30-day trial. Even if you're already a high-level user, you can still get a free 30-day trial with my link below, okay? You'll also get my course and a bunch of other goodies from me for doing that. Now, I have really exciting news because I'm going to order my car. So I hope you guys are excited. It's not actually a car, it's a truck. So I have a 40-acre farm, okay? I am a farm girl. So I don't want like a Porsche or a Tesla or anything like that. I actually want a Rivian, okay? Rivian is a new vehicle manufacturer, and you can either get a truck or an SUV. Guess what? I want the truck. Now, I did think about the Ford F-150 Lightning, but unfortunately, with their backlog, they had, I think, 100,000 pre-orders. They're only going to make 44,000 trucks in the first year. I did the math and said I'm not going to wait 3 years for my truck. So I'm doing this. Deliveries begin in January. Thank you to all of you. I could not have done any of this without you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart. You know I love you guys, and I'm eternally grateful to every single one of you for thinking that I provide enough value to use my link to sign up. So for that, I'm very grateful. Thank you so much. This could not have happened without you guys, and I wanted to share this with you because it's part of my journey, okay? I started my journey as a stay-at-home mom, and I just quit my corporate job, my 9 to 5, well, it was 8 to 5. Sometimes it was 6 to 5. Okay, let's be real. 6-figure salary to be a stay-at-home mom. And I got bored because babies sleep all the time. I love my baby. He's 4 now. Okay, but they sleep all the time. And I was like, what can I do? What can I do? What can I do? I started seeing all these ads for Clickfunnels, and oh man, I got sucked into that. Long story short, I ended up finding HIGHLEVEL after I started my agency, and it totally changed my life, and it changed everything for me. So now I use my tech background in IT to help agencies and coaches scale through systems and automations. So that's why I do what I do. Okay. If you're just now tuning in, well, we're going to get to it. So I chose the truck. This is a beautiful, beautiful truck. Okay. It's starting to heat up in the news. So I want to get it ordered like now. Look at this. It's so cool. It kind of looks like a Tesla. They have two different packages. So they have an adventure package, and then it says premium with added functionality for adventure. And then they have an explore package, which it says rugged, and it has a sport interior for the elements. I'm like, I mean, isn't the whole thing gonna be rugged? Like the only difference I really see here, if I'm being honest, the ceiling is a different color, which with a white ceiling and two kids, I'm not thinking that's a good idea. Uh, and then like the seat back is different. So I'm gonna go with the adventure. You can like compare them. So I guess it looks like they have a gear guard. What's the difference? Ash wood, matte black, vegan leather. Vegan. Okay. Vegan leather, huh? I've never had vegan leather before. That's interesting. I'm cool with real leather too. I don't discriminate. Okay. Cool sound. Oh, okay. So perforated vegan leather seats are heated and ventilated. Ooh, sick. And I just want to preface this by saying I drive a beater. Okay, my car is 12 years old. I took really good care of it, but it has 208,000 miles on it. So I'm ready. I'm ready for a new one. Okay. Been a long time coming. All right, so I'm gonna get the adventure, and I'm gonna do the max pack because that's kind of a necessity, right? Like you want this is something that and I think it's hard to upgrade later. So I definitely want to spend the extra money and do that. And I do go out of town to visit my family and stuff a decent amount. So here's the different colors. They have LA silver. I don't even know what that means. What for those of you in California, what does LA silver mean? I have no idea. White, yeah, that's gonna be a no-go for me since I live on a farm. Red, midnight. Blue, I love blue. Blue is my favorite color. Limestone, forest green, El Cap granite. That means. But for farm purposes, it's probably going to be dirty a lot. So, shoot, I don't know what color to get. Okay, I need Google. Car colors that don't show dirt. I know I misspelled that, but it's gonna know what I meant. The best car color to keep clean: beige, light blue, light gray, and silver. Huh. Interesting. Don't get a dark color. Okay, silver. Okay, so that's a dark color. And that's I'm just gonna get that one then, because these all cost extra. I mean, in the grand scheme of things, it's not like it matters because, looking at the total here, but I would definitely want to get all-terrain tires. Ooh. Ooh. That's like a big price difference. Let's see. I like the dark. Let's go with that. And then we're gonna go with what is it trying to upsize me to? Upsell. The upsell is the full-size spare. Why not? Let's get it. The off-road upgrade. Hell yeah, I want the off-road upgrade. Are you freaking kidding me? That's why I want a truck. So you can see here what it does. It adds the tow hooks and stuff. Okay, I'm trying not to look at the total. Not looking at the total. I never buy myself anything nice. I don't even have a designer purse. I have a mom purse. Compass yellow. What? Black ocean coast. That would get dirty so fast. Or this forest edge. Okay. Let me see this. Ooh. So I kind of have a problem with black leather. My car right now is black leather. And it gets really hot in the summer. But my God, this would get wrecked so fast. I cannot believe they have white, guys. White? For an off-road vehicle, you have white interior, honey. No, honey, no. I don't know what to get, y'all. I don't hate this. It's actually kind of cool, but I see it getting dated. You know what? I'm gonna get the green one. Screw it. Why not? Let's go for it. Oh, wow. Okay. So they have a camp and kitchen Snow Peak kitchen set. What? 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 Oh, no. Now that's just excessive. Oh my God. No, guys. Look at this. Wonder how much that weighs. Wow. It doesn't say how much it weighs. Like what, how does it impact the battery life? That's what I want to know. Because I imagine it does. It's cool, but like it has a tint. A tint. A a tint. Oh my God, 3-person. Well, there's 4 of us, and I have a feeling that that would just not fly anyway. If it was just me and my husband, maybe, but with the kids, that's gonna be kind of a rip. Mm. Crossbar. Oh, that's kind of cool. They lock onto the vehicle's existing accessory ports. Oh, that's kind of cool. I might want that thing. So where does it have... Does it say like the battery life here? Gosh, it doesn't say how much it impacts battery life. Okay. What else do they have? Bike mount, snowboard or ski mount, kayak mount, surfboard mount. Yeah, no. None of that is necessary. Ooh, okay, yeah, I definitely want those. Those are cool as hell. Okay, cool. So what? Oh, I was hoping it would update the picture, but it's like not doing that. Okay, never mind. All right, charging, yes. Yes, we want the wall charger. And I actually am remodeling my farmhouse and putting a special plug-in in at my house just for that. You definitely want all-weather floor mats. It's like something that I don't mind spending money on 100%. Off-road recovery kit. Complex rescues, huh? No, I can get all that stuff somewhere else for less than 600 bucks. Field kit. Oh, that's cool though. This, no way. This fits in the door? Ah, okay, yes, I need that. Yeah, that's a hell of a deal. 150 bucks for all that. And it fits in the door. Yes. Getting it. Getting it, getting it, getting it, getting it. Okay, here we go. Adventure package, max packet, silver. Dark wheels, full size spare off-road upgrade, forest edge, cargo crossbars. Do I really want forest edge? Yeah, I think I do actually. I'm weird. Weird like that. Full charger. Okay. I've never spent this much money on anything in my life. Not true. I've bought 2 houses, 3 houses, but still. I've never spent anywhere close to this on a car before. So, oh God, I'm scared. Okay, I'm gonna go do this real quick. Okay, so I just hit the button. I just hit the button. Oh my God, I'm so nervous. Okay, so I had to pay $1,000 and, ooh, they made a lookbook for me. Wow. And then they said they're gonna send me a special gift to my house. I was like, what? Oh, here, 400 miles. Cubic feet. Okay, so what's this do? Ooh, okay, they made a special lookbook for me. If only my garage was that nice. Not ever. Said no one ever, but oh my gosh. Okay, wow. It's beautiful. I love it. I love it. I'm so excited. I can't wait, guys. Actually, Sean himself from HIGHLEVEL, you know, the co-founder of HIGHLEVEL, he said he's gonna fly out and deliver this to me when it's ready and give me the keys. So I will definitely have another video for you by then, but it says January, so I don't know. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but I'm excited. And again, thank you to every single one of you guys for making this happen. I love you all. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any more videos from me, and I'll see you next time.